Everybody, this is Andrew with LaunchCode. If you're having trouble getting the Java exercises set up with the first project, I've created this video here to walk you through the correct order it needs to be done in order for IntelliJ to recognize this as a project that we want to work with. If for some reason you've ended up in a state where you can't run your program, or it is giving you errors about output directories or missing classes or things of that nature, it's possible that the project didn't get set up correctly in IntelliJ. In order to do so, let's just go over a quick walkthrough. So you should have gone through this initial setup page. You should have gone ahead and forked the LaunchCode Java exercises to your own repo, which you should have underneath your own name. Go ahead and grab that URL there and flip over to IntelliJ. If this isn't the screen you see in IntelliJ, go ahead and click the X in the project that you're working on, and it should take you back to the main screen. Here we should be able to check out from version control and from GitHub. Go ahead and paste your repository here and make sure it's going to be downloaded into the directory you'd like it to be, which may be different than from what I show here. If we go ahead and hit clone, the important step here is it's going to ask us if we want to check this out from version control and create a an IntelliJ project with this, and we do, so click yes. This is going to import our project into IntelliJ, and it's going to make sure that our project builds and executes correctly. Most of this is default, and you can keep the same, your project name and where it's going to be downloaded. It's going to ask you to make sure it's going to import this as well as any additional libraries, which we'll talk about later in the class. But for now, you can click through all of these defaults. Make sure that you do have a Java SDK selected here, and we can go ahead and finish. So now your project should be imported properly into IntelliJ. You can tell this by seeing our source folder has been marked with blue, telling IntelliJ this is where our source code lives. We should also be able to go down and click the Hello app class. And here we should see two green arrows letting us know that we can go ahead and run this application right from the line. We should see it run and see Hello World printout, and now you should know your project's set up correctly. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us on Slack. Thanks.